Alright, you guys, I have come up with something pretty cool. I asked my dad if he had an extra SD card, so now I have one that's for crochet, and I labeled it with the C so that I know, and then the one that I'm vlogging with is the one with the letter V on it for vlogging. So, I just have to keep them safe. Hey guys! I'm gonna put you right there for a second. So, this week is a very special week because my sister is coming home for her birthday weekend, and I'm going to get to see her. If you don't know, she's away at college, and so every time that I get to see her is really special for me. And it's also her birthday weekend, so I have a bunch of presents to wrap for her, and I love wrapping gifts, so I'm very, very, very excited to give these gifts to her, and I might even film myself wrapping some of the gifts too, in case you guys want to see that. I'll do like a cool speed up thing on it. But I am getting ready to go home. I got here several hours early because I wanted to take some time to edit part 2 of the crochet dog. So if you have not seen part 1 yet, I will link it in the iCard above, and it's on my channel, Simply Sadie Crochet. I'll put the link in the description box below, and I am working on part 2, which is going to be for the arms and legs. So I'm very, very excited. So I have a bunch of gifts for my Kinley here, and there are a bunch of samples that I got from when Target had their sample sections. Alright, I finished wrapping all of McKinley's birthday gifts. I added an extra one that I was going to save until Christmas, but I could not help it. I wanted to just give her so much. So I ended up throwing in something else, which is in here. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm so excited. And I just have to get a card for her. Hey guys. Something interesting just happened. My car is not starting. I've been trying everything. I've been trying to remember what my mom has told me when she had an issue getting the car to start. I tried doing that, and I tried pretty much everything that I could, and nothing is working. So I finally just had to call roadside assistance, and I'm just thankful that I'm in a safe and pretty secure spot. I'm at my school. I'm glad I'm not somewhere where, like, I don't know where I'm at, or traveling somewhere else and I don't know where I'm at. I'm thankful and grateful that I'm in a space that I am well aware of and know where I'm at. When I try to turn the car on, what happens is, I don't know if you can hear that, it beeps, the lights go on, but the car isn't starting, the engine isn't starting. I'm able to move the little thing in the middle, the gear thing, I'm able to move that to where I'm supposed to be, but it's not turning on. I'll update you guys. Film myself wrapping, wow,